Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 19th, 2025, we're analyzing USDCHF, combining both news events and in-depth chart analysis. We'll start by looking at recent news headlines impacting this pair, then delve into the candlestick data for insights into potential trading strategies. Recent news suggests that USDCHF is softening due to geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, bolstering the safe haven Swiss franc. Also, the Federal Reserve is expected to hold rates steady, increasing anticipation of dovish remarks, which could weaken the US dollar. The market is pricing in a high probability of rate cuts later this year. Now, let's transition to the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation followed by a significant downtrend in recent months. This downtrend accelerated in late April and May, bringing us to current levels. Zooming into the recent price action on the one-day chart, from approximately May 15, 2025, onward, we see a period of choppy trading. The price appears to be struggling to establish a clear direction, influenced by the conflicting forces of safe haven demand and expectations around central bank policy. There's a lot of back and forth, a battle between buyers and sellers. To gain a clearer picture, let's switch to the hourly chart. This timeframe provides a more granular view of recent price movements. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see the price has been fluctuating within a narrow range, indicative of indecision in the market. On the hourly chart, pay close attention to key levels such as 0.8190, which seems to be acting as a near-term resistance. On the downside, 0.8165 has acted as short-term support. A break below this level could signal further downward pressure and a test of 0.8155. Conversely, a breakout above 0.8190 with strong volume could indicate a potential bullish reversal, with a test of 0.82 potentially incoming. For short-term trading, watching the 15-minute chart may help. This will give you more fine-grained details. There are many small candles going back and forth. On this time frame, you can see short-term support and resistance levels to help with scalping trades. In summary, USDCHF is currently caught between conflicting forces, with geopolitical tensions supporting the Swiss franc and uncertainty around Fed policy weighing on the US dollar. Key price levels to watch include the support around 0.8165 and resistance at 0.8190. A break of either level could dictate the short-term direction. If geopolitical tensions escalate or the Fed sounds particularly dovish, a move towards 0.8150 or even lower is possible, 60% likelihood. A hawkish Fed or de-escalation in the Middle East could see a rally towards 0.8200, 40% likelihood. Keep an eye out for any major news events or data releases that could act as a catalyst. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts.